Good morning. How are you all? Today we will talk about general awareness. In last general awareness class, we have talked about four shapes. What are they? First, we have talked about heart shape. You can see I am holding a pink color heart shape, and you can see one red color heart shape on my screen, right? We have talked about heart shape, and we have learned a rhyme on heart shape also, isn't it, children? Yes, heart shape. And even I have asked you to find some objects in and around you which are in heart shape. Then what we have learned? Diamond shape. Yes, we have learned about diamond shape. Diamond shape. And I have told you that our favorite burfis are in diamond shape, right? Children, it has four sides, four corners, but it's not like square or rectangle. Now, after that, we have talked about oval shape. Oval. Oval shape. It looks like an egg. It looks like an egg. On the screen, you can see a blue oval shape, and I am holding a green oval shape, right? I have shown all those things, and oval shape looks like an egg. And last, that is your favorite shape, that is the star shapes. Star shapes. You are very much fond of star shapes because whenever you do something good, mama, teacher, everyone gives you star shapes, isn't it? Whenever you finish your tiffin, ma'am gives you a star shape, and now as ma'am is not able to, ma'am asks mama to give, and mama is giving so many stars, right? Star shapes. Now, even in literacy, we have learned a rhyme also, the star. Now, today in EVS class, what we will do, children? We will take our book. Which book? Oxford Advantage Little Champs Shapes and Colors. In today's work, I will get to know how much you have remembered all these shapes. Which shapes? Heart shape, diamond shape, star shapes and oval shapes. How? Today we will do an activity in your book itself. For that, you need your book. Which book? Oxford Advantage Little Champs Shapes and Colors, and one pencil. Okay? Today we don't need any crayon. But children, I have told you already, find out in and around of you this four shapes object. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था ऐसा फोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स ढूंढो जो ये फोर शेप्स का है. आपके आसपास ही है. हमारे घर पे ऐसे बहुत सारे सामान हैं जो ये फोर शेप्स को बिलोंग करते हैं. ओके. Now, why ma'am is asking? Okay, because any day ma'am can ask you to show those objects. So, collect those objects. Now, what you have to do? You have to open page number 44. If you remember last time we have already discussed page number 43. Right? Where these four shapes things pictures is given: heart shaped balloon, diamond shaped kite, then oval shaped egg and star. Star itself a shape, and star shapes we are getting starfish. Remember, other than thing, some star shaped cookies. We use star shaped decorative item for Christmas tree, right? So there are lots of things in star shapes, right? Now we will work on page number 44. Now first everyone listen to me very carefully. No one will start work right now. First let me read out the instruction. पहले मुझे instruction read करने दो. Then I will explain. Circle the heart, oval, star and diamond shapes in the picture. Can you see a picture? It is a picture of a park. Yes. ये picture में हार्ट शेप, डायमंड शेप, स्टार शेप्स एंड ओवल शेप्स है. यस, आपको दिख भी रहा है. आई नो वेरी मच वेल. सो मैं हर शेप्स का एक एक आपको सर्कल करके दिखाऊंगी. I how to do. First, they have asked to find out heart shape. So where can I see heart shape? I can see in on the balloons. So I have circled only one heart shape. But you have to circle all the heart shape. जहाँ जहाँ आपको heart shape दिख रहा है, you have to circle children and use your pencil. Ma'am can't use pencil on screen, that's why ma'am using colorful brush, but you will not use crayon, color pencil, sketch pen, anything. आपको pencil से circle करना है. Okay, now next shape I will take another color, so for you it will be easy. Oval shape. Now they have asked to find out oval shape. One oval shape मैं आपको circle करके दिखाती हूँ. See, here it is. जहाँ पे आइसक्रीम कोन का पिक्चर है, that is oval shape. Remaining you have to find out. और pencil से no colors. Now I will take a different color. V shape, star shape. I can see lots of star shape, but I will circle only one. Okay, next is diamond shape. Now I will take different color. Diamond shape, here I can see. Now it does not means कि बच्चों इतने ही shapes है, इसमें बहुत है. You have to find out, that is your, तभी तो मैम को पता चलेंगे ना जब आप सर्कल करोगे हर एक शेप्स को एंड यू विल सेंड बैक मैम दिस पेज इमेज. जब इस पेज का आप सर्कल करके सारे शेप्स को फोटो भेजोगे तभी तो मैम को पता चलेगा हाउ मच यू हैव लर्न, वेदर यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द शेप्स. सो मैम हैज़ ओनली शोन यू वन एग्जाम्पल. मैम ने हर शेप का एक एक जगह पे सर्कल किया है, बट देर आर मोर शेप्स आर देयर. हार्ट शेप भी बहुत सारे हैं, ओवल भी है, स्टार भी है, डायमंड भी है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड सर्कल एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस पेज आपको इस पेज का फोटो मैम को भेजना है. एंड चिल्ड्रेन, वन थिंग बिफोर स्टार्टिंग वर्क, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to write date on the right hand side corner of the page. What is the date of today? 23 slanting line 4 slanting line 2121. आज का डेट लिखना है. Okay, now everyone start your work and do it neatly. Don't use crayons, use only pencil. Okay, till then, bye, take care.